Greetings to all. Never doubt that a small group of thoughtful, intelligent, committed citizens can change the world. In fact, it is the only thing that ever has. And the members of Eco Club of our school, they are committed to work towards bringing about various positive changes in our environment. Today, I extend a very warm welcome to our principal ma'am and to our guest of honor, Dr. B.C. Sabath, to the induction ceremony of Eco Club of our school. I also welcome all the supervisory heads of our school. I now invite Samarth and Pranav to start the proceedings for the day. So over to you, Samarth and Pranav.
Dashadasha Tasma Putra, Dashaputra Samodrama, which means having a son is having a life of a century, but having a tree is like having 10 sons. Good evening, one and all present here on this virtual platform. Friends, from ages, our culture valued nature for its significance. We never thought nature as a thing to be exploited, but we always looked upon it as something sacred which enhances our life.
साथियों, वसुंधरा का अर्थ ही है पृथ्वी और हमारे धार्मिक ग्रंथों में तो यहाँ तक कहा गया है कि वीर भोग्य वसुंधरा, यानी जो इस धरती की रक्षा करने के लिए तत्पर है वह ही इसका भोग करने के भी लायक है. On this occasion, we would like to reiterate the slogan of our Vasundhara Club, which says, "Work today to save tomorrow." It is our school tradition to begin every important event with lighting the lamp of enlightenment. And even today, in these difficult times of COVID-19, we will continue our tradition in a virtual manner.
कितनी पवित्र होगी. इस दिए के प्रकाश से अंधकार की जरूर हार होगी और हमारी ये पहल पीढ़ियों के लिए मिसाल होगी. Now we would like to present before you the slok recitation by 3 students who had been a part of Eco Club.
आदिदेव नमस्तुभ्यं प्रसीद मम भास्कर दिवाकर नमस्तुभ्यं प्रभाकर नमोऽस्तुते ईशावास्यमिदं सर्वं यत्किञ्च जगत्यां जगत् तेन त्यक्तेन भुञ्जीथा मा बुधकस्य स्विद्धनम् शैले शैलेन माणिक्यं मौक्तिकं न गजे गजे साधवो नहि सर्वत्र चन्दनं न वने वने समुद्रवसने देवी पर्वतस्तनमण्डले विष्णुपत्नी नमस्तुभ्यं पादस्पर्शं क्षमस्व मे परोपकाराय फलन्ति वृक्षः परोपकाराय वहन्ति नद्यः परोपकाराय दुहन्ति गावः परोपकारार्थम् इदं शरीरम्.
Green today, green tomorrow. No green, no tomorrow. Green, the origin, the infinite and the immortal, has inspired us time and again to bring forth steps in order to preserve this pure beauty. And in that process, we once again welcome you all to Vasundhara, the Eco Club's induction ceremony. It's my pleasure to introduce the guest of honor for the day, Dr. B.C. Sabath. Talking of his educational qualifications, He has done his post-graduation from the Behrampur University and also pursued PhD in botany from the same university. The topic for his PhD thesis was aquatic pollution of River Hooghly. Apart from this, he has done LLB from Behrampur University and MBA in disaster management from IP University, Delhi. He is one of the seasoned scientists in the field of botany. Starting his career as the Junior Research Fellow at Botanical Survey of India in 1985, he was promoted to work as the Senior Research Fellow in 1987. He has also worked as Junior Scientific Assistant at the same Institute of Combating Climate Change in Alipur. He has always been socially active, thereby contributing in embedding sincerity towards nature in people of all age groups. For his excellent work, he has been awarded the UNESCO Young Scientist Visiting Award in 1989, Biotechnology National Associateship Award in 1995-96 by Department of Biotechnology, Government of India, and Bhagidhari Award for Best Officer for 2 consecutive years, 2005-06 and 6-7. Sir, we are deeply overwhelmed and greatly honored to have a person of your caliber with us today.
Now I'd request Vijeta Panjwani of class 11 to recite her self-composed poem, The Environment Story.
Greetings one and all. So here's my self-composed poem, The Environment Stories, and it goes like, silent they stand with stories unsaid, emotions unflown, events untold. Come, let me take you through the environment's silent and subtle land, where it's all unique and nothing is a clone. Here, in the second world, as you meet Miss Sand, you would know what it means like to give life to all and still remain down to the land. It teaches you to have humbleness in every single strand, and to seek a lesson that's ultimate, the lesson of not voicing your greatness, rather waiting for others to realize it on every single date. Believe me, the environment has got all life secrets, my dear mate. Thank you.
Moving further, I would like the outgoing President and Vice President Manu and Divyanshi Grover to present the annual report of the activities undertaken by the club in the previous year.
Present here, we Manu and Divyanshi, the President and Vice President of Vasundhara the Eco Club, are here to present the annual report for the year 2019 and 2020.
This year, the club undertook several different events and activities.
Earth Day was celebrated on 23rd April 2019, where students presented their gratitude to Mother Nature in the form of a song, poem, and a dance.
The annual inter-school competition Green Gold 2019 was organized on 1st May. Students from 52 schools from all over Delhi participated in various environment-related competitions. All over the year, different tree plantation drives were undertaken, with the first one within the school premises. More than 30 saplings were planted by the students.
The club began with a no idling campaign in collaboration with the school bus drivers. An interactive session about harmful effects of idling took place between students, teachers, and the school bus drivers.
A cleanliness drive was conducted in the residential areas near the school. The students took out a rally with slogans, interacted with the residents, and cleaned the community park.
Project Restart Ek Pehal that began last year was carried forward by the members of the club this year. Useful objects and displays from waste and discarded material were made and put upon the exhibition, and
Asthma awareness talk for teachers and students was organized. Dr. Sanjay Joshi, head of Department of Medicine in Northern Railway Central Hospital, was the guest speaker of the event.
Festival of Diwali, an anti-cracker campaign was organized where students performed a street play, Kya Fark Padta Hai, at Delhi Hart, Pitampura and NSP.
दिवाली मनाएंगे, पटाखे जलाएंगे, दिवाली मनाएंगे, शोर मचाएंगे, pollution बढ़ाएंगे, शोर मचाएंगे, pollution बढ़ाएंगे, धुआं उड़ाएंगे, कूड़ा फैलाएंगे, धुआं उड़ाएंगे, कूड़ा फैलाएंगे।
2019 and 2020 was a fruitful year. The club members made enormous efforts to accomplish every task assigned to them with complete perfection.
We would like to extend our vote of thanks to respected Principal Ma'am, our coordinators Madhu Ma'am, Manjula Ma'am and Prerna Ma'am for their constant support and encouragement. Thank you.
Some members of the outgoing team have shared their experiences and memories with us. So now I would request Khushi to present before us the compilation of those memories.
Position I got, power I thought. Handling people would be a cakewalk. Expected what I couldn't fulfill, but tried my best to reach the hill. Working as the president of Vasundhara Club, I have learned a lot, and every single event has taught me something. From plastic campaign to anti-cracker campaign, I have discovered some of the other new skills in myself. This club as a whole has taught me the importance of good leadership and the essence of teamwork.
Vasundhara, the Eco Club, has been a major part of my last years in school. Every event and activity that we coordinated gave me a learning for life. Eco Club has not only reaffirmed my interest in taking care of the environment, but it has made me more confident and high-spirited. Despite all the academic pressures and time constraints, I was bestowed upon with the responsibility as the Vice President of the club. I am grateful to all my teachers and my teammates who had been my pillars of strength and support.
So, moving further, I would request our respected Principal Ma'am to address the students and enlighten us with her words of wisdom.
Good afternoon and a warm welcome to the virtual induction ceremony of Vasundhara Club. And I welcome the esteemed guests, Dr. B.C. Sabat, parents, if they are present here, members of the club, dear children and teachers. It is a pleasure to welcome you all to witness the good work done by the members of the club. The club aims to develop a sensitivity towards environmental concern and involve students in efforts to preserve the environment. As an eco-friendly school, we have many ongoing projects to improve the existing flora and fauna and add to the green cover of the planet. Being awarded Best Eco-Friendly School by the Department of Environment, Ministry of Environment, lead eco clubs of Northwest Zone are some of our numerous achievements. We have initiated the setting up of rainwater harvesting in all wings and solar panels also in all the wings, even in the nursery, primary, as well as in the senior wing, in order to conserve the precious resources. Vermi composting, wastewater recycling, solar lights are some of our other eco-friendly efforts. We work in cohesion with Kids for Tigers, and our children conduct several campaigns, rallies, and drives to protect and preserve the environment. We consider ourselves privileged to receive the Vice Counsel of Dr. B.C. Sabat, Scientific Officer. He used to be in the Department of Environment, and last year only he has retired. And welcome you, sir, and thank you very much also. Eco meets and drives as well as maintenance of neighborhood parks is a part of our various projects. I congratulate the members of the Vasundhara Club for their praiseworthy efforts. Please try to imbibe these values of nurturing and protecting the environment all your lives. My best wishes to the incoming team. As you are inducted, conduct your responsibilities and duties wholeheartedly and with utmost integrity. Thank you and all the best. Congratulations to the incoming team also. Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am, for this encouraging and thought-provoking address. So now I request respected Kiran Gulati ma'am to announce the new team.
Now, I am announcing the name of new office bearer, Vice President Yamini Tiwari, and our President Pranav Agarwal.
Now that the new team is announced, the reins of the club are in the new hands. Now, I would request our esteemed guest, Dr. B.C. Sabath, to administer the Eco Pledge.
I promise to work towards
I promise to work towards
I promise to work towards
improving the existing quality of the environment.
improving the existing quality of the environment.
I will work towards
I will work towards
preventing pollution and preserving
preventing pollution and preserving
and conserving water
and conserving water
and other resources.
and
and
other
other resources.
Reduce waste and commit to recovery
Reduce waste and commit to recovery
and recycling
and
recycling
as opposed
as opposed
to disposal wherever possible.
to
dispose
disposal.
wherever possible.
I take this place today,
I take
I take this place
today,
that is on 14th August 2020,
that is on 14th August 2020,
in order to stop
in order to stop
and eventually reverse
and
and eventually reverse
the accelerating degradation of our planet's
the
the
accelerating degradation of our planet,
planet's
natural environment,
natural environment,
and to help
and to
and
help
to help
build a future
build a future
in which all of us
in which all of us
can live in harmony
can live in harmony
with nature.
with nature.
I request our honorable guest, Dr. B.C. Sabath, to address the audience with his inspiring words and motivate them.
Let me first congratulate the new coming members of the Eco Club. And during this COVID-19, I think you are the only school might have doing this type of induction, because I am getting so many calls from the schools that this year we could not do anything during the Van Mahotsav and other things. But the show must go on, and I congratulate Principal Ma'am for doing this type of work, and Madhu Ma'am for continuously encouraging the students, and she rang me thrice, 4 times to do this one. So I am very happy. And as you know, the situation now is very bad, and it is really heart-provoking to know that environment is such a thing now. All environment is become good. The rivers become pollution less. The air pollution become less, and it is evident that the human people or the human's activity only degrading the environment. Throughout the globe, we are facing a very big challenge in this pandemic, COVID-19, and environment side we should not forget. And the environment degradation has little upgraded due to the less work in the human interference. I think we have to take care of that, and hopefully near future we will again go back to the same nature of work what we are doing earlier, and all the members can do whatever things to do for the environment. And you know, the environment is such a thing, the well-being of human health is very, very essential because of the environment. And many people now feel that we are getting a good environment. If you see the Delhi's contest, the Delhi's air pollution become less. Because now when this as usual things came up, again pollution level has been increased. So it is evident the human are the only main cause of the air pollution. So I congratulate all the students, those who have taken new members of the day, and do same work what you are doing. As your principal ma'am said, your school is really a eco-friendly school, doing all activities. And during my tenure as an environment officer in the Department of Environment, Delhi government, I have seen a lot of schools, but your school is doing not only making the programs, but also doing in action. As Madam told, the solar system, herbal garden, composting, many things you do, all your things, and all activities like your green goal, inter-school debate and other things I think doing. And Madam is really deserve a big thank as a eco-friendly principal also, because I say many schools that the Madam has always, during her other school also when she was earlier there, she started many programs there, and we have doing lot of activities, and I hope the same will continue in future also. The same thing will continue, and in future also you can do better things for the environment, so that we can live peacefully, and hopefully the COVID-19 will come over, and very soon vaccine will come, and we all will again resume the same work as you were doing in earlier. So thank you very much. Thank you, Madhu ma'am, and thank you, Principal ma'am.
We should not aim to protect the environment, but should aim for creating a world where environment doesn't need protection. Thank you, sir, for your stimulating words. We assure you that the guidance given by you, we will follow and tread the path shown by you to create a greener, cleaner, and a healthier earth. Now, I request respected Rashrima ma'am to present a vote of thanks.
I deem it a great honor and privilege to propose the vote of thanks on this occasion. Let me first of all start by giving glory to the Almighty God for making today's occasion a resounding success. I thank our special guest, Dr. B.C. Sabath, who despite his busy schedule has found time to grace this occasion and for his valuable contribution. We are grateful to our honorable guest for his words of encouragement and continued support. I also thank our principal ma'am for her unstinted support. Her able guidance has always encouraged us. Last but not the least, I thank you students for your cooperation in making this occasion a success. In the end, I would conclude by saying, let's nurture nature so that we can have a better future.